Sup guys, Mohammed here again. So in case you haven't noticed by now, I am a huge fan of funky tech gear, gizmos and gadgets. Anything that looks cool or has RGB is literally the reason why my wallet is collecting dust and cobwebs over the last couple of years. Other than tech, I enjoy getting the odd clothing and accessories here and there. So when Divoom reached out to me asking to review their brand new Pixoo Sling Bag, I wasted no time in saying yes and couldn't wait to get my hands on it. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Pixoo Sling Bag and see if this product is really worth purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then defo consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first things first guys, let's check out the packaging. Once the item arrives, you're greeted with a bright yellow box, which hopefully isn't as battered as my one is, which contains the Divoom logo, picture, features and setup process. Now as soon as you open the box, you have the Divoom Pixoo Sling Bag located inside this plastic cover. Now I didn't see any manuals or paperwork inside, which was actually quite nice for a change, although there was this tag on the side which was more to do with certification and authentication. Now in regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 450 grams and has a length of 13 inches. The material is made from nylon and polyester, which feels pretty nice and premium. On front, you have the Divoom logo on the top left, as well as a 16x16 LED screen, which we'll be looking into later on throughout the video, followed by the first zip compartment, which contains a USB cable where your power bank will be plugged in order to light up the LED pixels. Now on that note guys, this product does not come with a power bank included inside, so just make sure you guys bear that in mind before purchasing. Now on the top you have another zip compartment which contains another zip compartment too, and looky here guys, it looks like we do get some paperwork and user manuals, which I probably won't read to be honest. Now it does feel quite spacious and you can definitely fit quite a few things inside here. You also get a key holder inside too to attach your keys. But yeah guys, really impressed so far. Towards the back you have a strap which you can use to hold your bag, as well as another zip compartment which again contains loads of space. Finally, you also have this lock mechanism which feels quite different to what I've seen on other bags, which simply works by pulling this string here to release and then pushing both sides together to lock the bag in place. Right, so first impression, even without the pixels turned on, the style and look of this bag is not too shabby at all. Personally, even with the lights turned off, I think Divoom have done a great job here in getting the design right. I love the black and yellow color combo, which looks really good, and the leather material feels nice and premium to touch. But let's be honest guys, that's not why you're here, right? We're here to see the Pixoo LED lights. So now that the unboxing and product breakdown is complete, let's go straight through the setup process. The first step required will be to download the Divoom app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. Once opened, you will then be asked to log in or create an account. You can also log in using your Facebook or Twitter credentials. From here, you will then be presented with the home page. Select the plus icon on the top left to add your sling bag. You will then be presented with two connection methods, being Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once your bag is located, select the device, wait for pairing to complete, and you should be good to go from here. Now, when it comes to the Divoom app guys, I gotta say, I am seriously impressed by the tons of features and sheer amount of pixel art you get when using the app. Once the app loads, you are presented with the home page, which will show you the newest pixel art available, created by the Divoom user community. You simply select the pixel art you want, and then the animation is sent straight to the sling bag. Going from left to right, you have the Discover tab, which shows you a list of features such as design, which lets you create your own animations, and games, which yes, you heard that right, allows you to play games directly on the sling bag, such as Pixoo Snake and Flappy Birds, which I find so crazy. The channel tab contains a bunch of features such as clocks, timers, and lighting. However, one app that really caught my eye was the signals feature, which I could see bicyclists definitely using. The signals function lets you send signal gestures to the Divoom Sling Bag, which lets the traffic behind or oncoming know that you're about to make a left or right turn direction. The home tab shows you a bunch of pixel art, categorized into different sections such as emojis, patterns, and icons. The message tab shows you your followers, comments, and likes. And finally, the Me tab shows you your profile information, including local gallery, uploads, and favorites. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, I gotta give it to Divoom here, guys. They really did do a great job with their new Pixoo Sling Bag. My main concern at first was that they could have got everything right with the tech, but if the bag development and design was wrong, it would have had such a huge impact. But thankfully, the bag in my opinion came out amazing, and even looks great without the pixels. Speaking of pixels, the 16x16 LED screen is also perfect and doesn't feel too overpowering and is just the right size. This bag will definitely be drawing eyes to you for sure, so if you want to stand out from everyone else in the crowd, then the Divoom Pixoo Sling Bag is a device you should definitely look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Divoom Pixoo Sling Bag from Amazon for around £100, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What are your thoughts on the Divoom Pixoo Sling Bag? And is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.